Hey, Scott Himmelstein with the Scott Himmelstein Group. Welcome back to another edition of our video blog. Today we're going to be talking about home inspections, a subject that is loaded with expectations, but today we're going to be doing it from the buyer's perspective. All right, so today we're talking about home inspections from the buyer's perspective. Before we do that, a reminder, if you're a home seller, check out our free home value report. And if you're looking to purchase a home, we have our free MLS search tool for properties all over Southern California. So when a buyer purchases a home, they're very excited. And then the home inspection report comes, a 53-page document that details everything wrong with the property, then it's a different story. But the purpose of the home inspection is twofold. One, it's for the home inspector to make sure that the buyer is aware everything that needs to be repaired in the property, as well as the overall condition of the home, as well as how to operate the systems and appliances within the home. And this includes everything from electrical to HVAC, et cetera, et cetera. So the inspector not only finds things that are wrong with the home, but in addition, they educate the buyer on the overall condition of the property. So once the buyer has received the home inspection report, that's usually when the rose-colored glasses have come off and the honeymoon period is typically over in escrow. At this point, the buyer will review the home inspection report with their agent and they'll decide whether or not to submit what's called a request for repairs. Now, the expectation a lot of times from buyers is that the seller is obligated to repair everything, and that's not the case. The seller is not obligated to make any repairs. A lot of times there's a few code requirements that are required prior to the close of escrow, but outside of that, the seller does not have to agree to the buyer's request for repairs. Now, there's a couple things to keep in mind here. If the house has been on the market for a few months and this is the only offer in town, the likelihood is quite higher that the seller is going to be able to work with the buyer on those requests for repairs. On the other hand, if it's a home that has 6 or 7 offers and sells for $30,000 over the list price, the likelihood that the seller is going to be able to take care of your list of items on the request for repairs is going to be significantly less. If the seller decides not to fix something, remember the buyer has the right to terminate the contract and also receive their initial deposit back from escrow at no charge to the buyer. Now, here at the Scott Himmelstein Group, we've done a really good job of surrounding ourselves with quality professionals and vendors to help you navigate the inspection process. So at the end of the day, it's really important to have an agent by your side to help guide you through what can really seem like a scary process. Have any questions about inspections or our quality vendors or anything else, give us a call at the Scott Himmelstein Group, 818-396-3311, 818-396-3311.